Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone. And at the bottom of your charging case we have USB-C port also, so connect the second USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side we see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And this earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use reverse wireless charging from your phone, and use a cable is the only way to charge it from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!